just realized I don't know what the date is today. Right. 6th of August. The last time I worked on the truck, quite bad. 15th of June. 15th of June. Then 2nd of July, I flew out to America. So just before I went to America, I went and did a whole lot of, shall I call it, artwork, making stuff, making spiders and all sorts of other junk. Some of it went to America. They've got various homes now in various parts of the country. And I haven't touched the truck. I think the fact that I was working 7 days a week on it, some days 6 hours, some days 8 and 10 hours, depending on how I felt, depending on what I was doing, sort of jobs wrapped up on their own, kind of meant that I just stepped away from it. And then coming back from America, I'm still not right. I've still got a chest on me. I picked up what I'm going to assume would have been described as COVID 2025 or something. Some really unpleasant chest infection which I picked up on the plane. Had the whole time through while I was in America. And actually some of it, just the effect of it made me not even go and do any long distance trips. The furthest I did in a day was 150 miles kind of thing, short trips. And since I've been back, I've been making other stuff. It's on the YouTube channel, just doing little arty stuff and kind of finding excuses. I've done a lot of garden work and yard work and such as well. But I really need to get back onto this bloody thing. So I'm going to bring the cab out, get rid of the cab, and then the red parts, the bed sides, the rear end of the bed, as well as that massive bonnet or hood. All of those are still covered in paint and under seal. One side is paint, one side is under seal. I know that the passenger side rear end has been smashed in as well and has a shitload of dents, so I'm going to have to try and straighten that out as best I can, because I'm not spending $1,500 on having a new bedside sent over here that still is a reproduction. So yeah, next stop I guess is turn this thing into one of those fast motion jobbies, get everything swapped around, and that's my first task for right now, is just to try and get all the red parts out and get the primed bits back safe into the back of the garage. Hopefully that'll get done. I might even start trying to sand back some of that junk today. We'll see. So yeah, thanks for joining. And it's, as I said, it's August.